Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Did you know there are about 150 miles of screening walls in Plano? The city maintains about 90 miles of them. 3 miles of these walls are rebuilt every year. Our Public Works Department performs inspections on all screening walls every 3 to 5 years. When citizens request repairs or replacement, crews are sent out to investigate. If the wall's underground foundation has issues, it may be scheduled for repair as part of a future engineering project, which is paid for out of bond funds. If the screening wall meets the city's criteria for replacement, it goes on a long waiting list. The worst ones move to the top of the list. Public Works and Engineering currently have 88 walls that need repairs. Many times, HOAs are responsible for some screening walls if the easement was dedicated to the neighborhood. Almost all new HOAs own their screening walls. Public Works can only repair about 20 screening walls a year. They repair another 20 after car crashes. If you would like to submit a request, call our Public Works Department or go to plano.gov/fixit. We'll send a crew out to see if your screening wall meets the criteria for repair or replacement. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.